Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is about a serious error code that appears. Apparently, it's a rare code and it affects your high voltage battery. So this needs to be changed as quickly as you possibly can. That being said, I found a little bit of a hack that's going to buy you weeks, months, whatever it is that you need. You're going to basically reset the wire harness that basically connects to your high voltage battery, and I'll show you how to do that. Keep in mind, while these videos were taken probably about a month ago, I waited until Tesla actually replaced the battery before I published this video. But again, do this at your own discretion. I did it. It worked for me. There was no issues whatsoever. So I wanted to put that knowledge out there as well. So it's BMS_079. And this basically prevents your battery from charging above 50%. I'm based in Montreal, as you all know. It is extremely cold these last few weeks. And there's no way I could survive my day-to-day commute with a less than 50% charge, because I go downtown and back sometimes and I need the range on my standard range Tesla. So here's a quick fix, guys. I hope it works for you. Keep in mind that if you are under 160,000 kilometers or 100,000 miles, this is covered under Tesla's standard battery warranty. It's either 160,000 kilometers, 100,000 miles, or 8 years, whatever comes first. In my case, I'm sitting at 142,000 kilometers. So I am covered, and I'm glad that I was able to get this replaced as quickly as possible. Here goes, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the back seat here. I'm right behind the driver's seat. We're going to stick our hands just between the seat and the base, and we're just going to find that little gap there and pull the seat upwards. It usually gets dislodged quite easily, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. So on the other side, same thing. I'm going to go ahead and yank that upwards. As we're slowly removing the seat towards the floor, just be careful. There are some connectors here that connect the seat to a bunch of the electrical circuits. What we're looking for is this kind of connector here, which is connecting to the main battery. So what we're going to do is go ahead and disconnect that, and I'll show you how to do that. And we're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes or so and connect it back on here. So you'll notice that there's this kind of black rubberish padding around. Just make sure that that's pushed all the way down to the floor around the connector. It's just going to make your life a little bit easier. We're going to then hold that kind of gray clip that locks in the connector, and we're going to hold it here and unclip it and then push it down towards the floor. Okay, once you do that, the connector pops up a little bit, and then we're just going to wiggle it out just like that. And you'll see this is what the connector looks like. So I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. And when you get back to it, you'll notice that the car is going to make a bunch of noises, and that's very normal. Okay, so it's just been about 5 minutes now, and I'm going to go ahead and put the connector back. The car did its thing, made noises, flashed some stuff on the screen, and that's all normal stuff. So here you go. I'm going to go ahead and put that connector. I'm going to make sure the padding's nice and tight around it as well. And I'm going to go ahead and just push down. The connector really just goes down one way. And you'll notice that as you push down, that gray clip is going to come upwards, and then you're going to just simply click it in the same way as you found it, right? That's as simple as it is. Then we're going to go ahead and make sure our seat is ready to put back. This is a good opportunity as well. Sometimes things fall between the seats, things like that. It's a good opportunity to try and clean it if you do have the time. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this seat carefully back. Again, we want to keep in mind that there are connectors and wires hanging out of the seat, so just make sure that those things go securely back in first, and then we're ready to kind of position this seat. Easiest way to position the seat is use the seat belt buckles there. So as you could see, I am aligning the seat belt buckles, sliding in the seat, and then just kind of giving it a little snap on both sides, and we're back in business. And here's another video I found with better lighting. But guys, keep in mind, I did this around 8-9 times in the span of about a month and a half, just because my schedule was super busy. I didn't have time to kind of take it into Tesla. That being said, this bought me the time I needed. Sometimes the error message would come back like within a few hours or 24 hours of a reset. Other times 3 weeks went by without that message coming up. So this bought me enough time with these resets to finally make the appointment with Tesla and take it in. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe as always, and good luck. And I really hope that this helps buy you a little bit of time as well. Take care, guys. See you next time.